is Swathiramya, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Engineering. In the previous video, we were discussing about the technical exploration of NLP in email and message filtering. In this video, we are going to discuss about the other components that has been used in message filtering. Okay. In the previous video, we were discussing about the introduction of NLP, what is NLP and what is the purpose of NLP, that why we started using NLP in email classification, and we are discussed about the core components and the techniques. The main core components are the text classification. Number 1, text classification. Number 2, feature extraction. Number 3, phishing detection, and these are the core components of NLP that has been used in email filtering. And these components ensures the accurate categorization, keyword analysis, and the phishing detection in the messages. Understanding these areas is very crucial for developing the effective NLP based email filtering system, and this will helps you to understand. All these things, core components will help you to understand how we are doing the categorization by using the NLP techniques. Okay, we'll start with the text classification. The main objective of the text classification is to categorize the emails into the spam, whether it is promotional one or a social media one or from the primary category. The accurate classification enhances the user experience and the email management by filtering irrelevant or harmful messages. Various machine learning algorithms are employed to achieve this objective with a high accuracy, and with the help of the various algorithms we could able to do this classification in a effective and successful way. So starting with the supervised learning approach. Okay, this is one of the approach that has been used for text classification. Supervised learning requires labeled data sets where the emails are pre-classified as a spam or not. It involves the training algorithm on these data sets to classify the new emails accurately. The common algorithm, which include the naive based on support SVM, that is support vector machines and neural networks. These algorithms have the strength in handling the different aspects of text data. So we start discuss about what is naive Bayes classifier. This is based on the probabilistic classifier. Okay, it is a probabilistic based one. It is called as probabilistic classifier. Naive Bayes is a probabilistic classifier based on the Bayes theorem. It's completely depend on the Bayes theorem, and this classifier depends on the mathematical calculations, assuming that independence between the features. It calculates the probability of an email being spam based on the word occurrence in the text. Based on the probabilistic, it will identify whether the email is a spam or not. Based on the words that given in that email, it will categorize the things. This technique is efficient and effective for the spam detection due to its simplicity and the speed. Naive Bayes is often used as a baseline model in the text classification task. Okay, next what we are using is support vector machines. The hyperplane separation, it is called as a hyperplane separation, that is SVM. Support vector machine finds the hyperplane that is the best separates the spam from not spam mails in the high dimensional space. Okay, SVM or the effective in handling the linear separable and non-linearly separable data. This maximizes the margin in between different categorizes and improving the classification accuracy. SVM are widely used for binary classification problem, including the email filtering. Next we will talk about the neural networks. Okay, for using neural networks, it comes under deep learning. Okay, neural networks are multiple layers to capture the complex patterns in the text data for classification. Convolution convolutional neural networks, that is CNNS, or effective in finding the local patterns in the text, and RNNS, that is recurrent neural networks, including that is LSTM networks, or used for the ability to handle the handle the sequential data. Okay, deep learning techniques offers the high accuracy for require substantial computational resources. Okay, with this I will wind up the video. In the next video we will discuss about the other core components of NLP. Okay, see you, bye bye.